Hello! In today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for market research, and let's dive straight into this video. So, first thing you want to do is to define your research objectives. Start by defining your research with questions like what are the questions that you want to ask, what are the specific areas of the interest that you want to explore. Define your research objectives that will help you focus on your questions and ensure you that you get most relevant insights from people you talk to. Secondly, define your target audience. Determine the demographic and psychographic characteristics of the people you want to talk to. For example, if you are researching a new product for teenagers, you will want to talk to teenagers or parents of teenagers. For third one, recruit participants. Find people who fit your target audience and are willing to participate in your research. You can use social media, online forums, or even cold outreach to find participants. Consider offering such as gift cards or discounts to encourage people to participate for you. For fourth, prepare your questions. Develop a list of questions that will help you achieve your research objectives. Make sure questions are open-ended and avoid leading questions to could-be-based responses. Consider conducting a pilot test with a few people to refine your questions before concluding the full study. You can do it with friends. For fifth, conduct the interview. Schedule interviews with your participants and conduct them either in person or remotely to a video conferencing or phone. By introducing yourself and explaining the purpose of the interview, make sure to listen actively and take notes to their responses. Then, for sixth, analyze the data. Once you complete all your interviews, analyze the data and defending themes and patterns in the responses. Use those insights to refine your product and marketing strategy. For seventh, share your findings. Share your findings and stakeholders and use them to make data-driven discussions. Consider presenting your findings in a clear and visual appealing format to make it easy for others to understand the insights. So I asked ChatGPT for some more benefits of market research. You can lead it. Of course, I encourage you to go to ChatGPT, listen to this video how many times you need, play with it, see what it can gives you the answers to these themes that I'm talking about you and everything. You can ask it every questions. If you need any other question, you can ask in the comments and see other information or tutorial videos on our channel. But to the concluding market research is a critical steps in developing a successful product and marketing strategy. Whatever you choose to use ChatGPT or talk to people directly, it's important to define your research objectives. Identify your target audience, prepare your questions, analyze the data to gain valuable insights. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience, you can make informed decisions and create products and services that meet their needs, ultimately leading to increased customer satisfaction and business success. So guys, I hope this is it for today's quick information video about market research. If you enjoyed this information video, please leave a like and subscribe, and of course for any other questions, leave a question in the comment. We can do more information, we can give you more information, we can give you a tutorial if you need it. We can have information video and tutorials on our channel like I said once before. And nothing, thank you guys for listening and watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.